How to do it. Let me show you how to do it.
Hi guys, so I'm pretty sure if you're watching this video, you're running into issue with the weeds growing in your driveway, especially if you have pavers. And in today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys a best way of getting rid of these weeds. And this is not going to have any kind of chemical. I'm not going to tell you to spray any pesticide or any vinegar or any kind of solution like that, because there are plenty of videos out there that talks about mixing salt water, vinegar, and all these homemade remedies. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys a safest way to get rid of these weeds, especially if you have a pool deck, because you definitely don't want to put in any kind of chemicals, that can cause cancer and things like that. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you a best way, and here is this thing. It is a chemical, but it's harmless, when it comes to pool decking. Even if this thing goes in your pool, it's not going to cause any harm. It's completely safe, and in fact, it is something that you put in your pool. So this is a lot of weeds, and I'm going to go ahead and spray these. I've already sprayed some of it, and just get one of these containers, and I'll tell you how to spray them. So what I'm doing is just putting in just a little amount, and it's going to kill all these weeds for good, and they're not going to come back. And even if it rains and all the water goes into the pool, it's completely safe. And you can see this deck was cleaned up just recently. I had my pool redone. I'm going to leave a link in the description below if you're wondering how I got my pool redone. I had the whole resurfacing, so I'm going to leave links in the description so you can watch it. But during that process, this whole thing was cleaned up, and as you can see, just in last 2 months, I got these weeds all grown. So I'm just making it, and I'm going to go ahead and spray it, and we'll come back and we'll look at it so you guys can see what difference this chemical made. So let's go ahead and spray it. Well, this thing smells pretty bad, so you may want to put some kind of a mask or something if you want to. But again, you're in the open area, so it doesn't really matter. So let me go ahead and spray everything, and I'll tell you exactly what it is and how well it worked. Okay, so I sprayed all over the place where I saw the weed, and I'm not kidding. This it only has been like, what, half an hour, and I can already see them kind of fading out. So I'm hoping this thing will work, and I think it'll be more effective if you do this when it's kind of like sunny, because that's when these weeds are kind of ready to absorb stuff. So when you spray this chemical, they're going to start absorbing all those chemicals in them, and of course they're going to die. You can already see how they are kind of like dying within a short period of time. So I'm going to leave this for a little bit, maybe like a day, and then see how they look tomorrow. And look at this one, it's already dying. So I'm hoping this thing will work, and we might have found the perfect chemical without harming anything. And I'm hoping this will work. So we'll come back tomorrow, and then we'll see how it looks. Okay, day 2, Sunday, and you can see all these weeds are dead. And I kind of left some on purpose so I can show you. Like this one, I did not spray anything at all, and you can see it's nice. This one I sprayed a little bit on top, not at the bottom, and you can see I burned the top part but not the bottom part. This one I sprayed good all the way from top to bottom, and you can see all these are dead. So this thing does work. You can see how it really killed, burned these within 24 hours. So it seems like this thing works, and all you have to do is just take a weed whacker and knock these dead weeds out of here. Seems like this is the best way to kill the weeds. More natural, even if it rains, it's just going to wash off that that you throw on the weeds, and hey, it's completely safe. Okay, so now let's talk about what chemical I'm using. This is the most important part. So this is nothing but simple pool chlorine, and this is kind of like a very strong version of a chlorine. So this is not a chlorine that you can purchase from Home Depot and start using it, because this is specifically made for pools. And this is you can pick it up from Pinch a Penny or Leslie's. This is like a 2.5 gallon, and this will last you for a lot of the weeds. As you can see, I got rid of all mine. So this will last you a very long time. And it's not that expensive either. This whole one jug will cost you around like $10. Sometimes in some stores they're like $8. If you hold a pool license, you can probably get it for like $2 or $3, for the entire jug filled. So it's cheap, and it's the best thing you can use. Just buy one of these 2.5 gallons or 2 gallons of pump. Now, one thing I would highly recommend is get something that is made of plastic, so it does not have any metal parts. This entire thing is made of plastic. Everything is plastic. So I've been using this pump for many years, and it has not gone bad on me. There were some that I ordered, and if you have metallic parts in there, they corrode, they go bad, they break. This thing will last you forever. So I'm going to leave a link in the description for this particular model that you can purchase if you want. Just all you have to do is just pour that chlorine inside here and spray it. It does not take a lot. I've been using this one jug for quite some time, and I have a big area. So as long as you just spray it when they come out, these things will kill it. Now the good part is it also keeps your pavers clean. Chlorine does not damage it. It kind of kills the algae that's building up on the surface, and it also is harmless if it goes down or washes off inside your pool, because your pool, this is what you put in your pool, so it's not a chemical, so it's safe to use as well, right? So that's a win-win for the pool. It's good for your if your kids are using the pool, it's not going to harm anything. The other chemicals that you make, it's eventually going to make to the pool and mess up with the pool chemistry. A lot of folks, they recommend using vinegar and salt and all that stuff, but eventually all that stuff is ending up in your pool, especially if you're using it on a pool deck, and that's not good. Even vinegar is not supposed to be in the pool. It just damages the chemical balance of the water. So I've tried the vinegar as well. There's a video in the link in the description below. I'll show you. Check it out. I've tried the vinegar solution. It did work, but it's not as good. So this thing is amazing because it really kills everything. Look at this. Everything is just dead, and you don't need to worry about it. Just goes away. So that's why I like the chlorine a lot more. So that's it, guys. All right, guys, hopefully this video helps you guys get rid of your weeds on your pavers, and if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.